One of the most important things that a potential franchisee should look at is the management team for the franchisor. Very often in a new franchise system, the management team might be very thin. Ideally, in a strong franchise system, there's a strong infrastructure to support franchisees. So you would like to see at the helm of a franchise system, maybe the founder, maybe people with a strong background in franchising, and enough people that they can adequately support either the number of current franchisees or the number of franchisees that they reasonably intend to have in the foreseeable future. It's very important that there be a critical mass, some sufficient number of units in operation. Now that's important for several reasons. First of all, it's a good indicator that the franchise has staying power. It will also be instrumental in helping a potential franchisee obtain the validation that they really need to have before they buy. One of the most important things in any franchise system is uniformity. Uniformity of service or the product. So it's important that the franchisee visit various outlets and that the outlets look the same, that the products or services being offered either taste the same or are presented in a similar way. Of course, people get into franchise systems because they want to be part of a system that someone will recognize, and by virtue of the look of the system or the brand will patronize your business as opposed to someone else. So if the units and the outlets look uniform, that's a good indicator that the franchisor is really protecting and promoting the brand. It's important, of course, that there be good franchisee validation. And very, very important is that the financial statements of the franchisor, which will be part of the FDD, are strong enough. You don't want to be in a situation as a franchisee where you're paying a significant franchise fee, making a large initial investment, and you're actually putting more money in than the franchisor may have in the bank. That's a bad indication. Okay? It's also important that the product or service being offered have some element of uniqueness. If I was entering a franchise system, I would want to know that what I'm offering has got some appeal, that there is an established market for the product, or I feel confident enough that the branding of the franchisor will help promote this product if it's a new product or service.